Standard first, subject English grammar. Hello dear students, I am Asma Khan. In this video, we are going to learn vowel sounds. Vowels. There are 5 special letters in the English alphabet. These are A, E, I, O and U. Children, now you will repeat after me. A, E, I, O and U. These are called vowels. A, E, I, O and U have a sound of their own. They are like life givers. They are called vowels. All the other letters do not have a sound of their own, but they come alive. When they join up with vowels, these letters are called consonants. Consonants, the letters except vowels, are called consonants. There are 21 consonants in English alphabet. These are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Children, can you tell me what can you see in the first picture? Yes, eyes. And this one, sit. Okay, good. Can you tell me if I read I in eyes, why does I read different in sit? Okay, so let's learn about vowel sounds. Each vowel makes two sounds, a long vowel sound and a short vowel sound. Now we will begin with vowel sounds. A says apple. A says apple. A says ant. A says ant. Now you will repeat. A says ant. A says arrow. A says arrow. Okay. Now we will hear long sound of A. Alien. Alien. Next word air. Air. Now next app. App. Now we go to next letter E. E says elephant. E says elephant. Repeat after me. E says elephant. E says egg. E says egg. E says elbow. E says elbow. When we put two E's together, we get long sound E. For example, feet. Feet. Repeat after me. Feet. Next word, sheep. Sheep. Next word, sleep. Sleep. You can see in red color, double E. Yes, this is what? When we put two E's together, so what? We get long sound, that is E. Which sound will come? E. Repeat after me. E. Okay, now read the word feet. Second word, sheep. Next, sleep. Good job, children. Okay, now we will go next vowel letter I. I says iguana. I says iguana. I says iguana. I says igloo. I says igloo. I says ink. I says ink. Okay, now let's hear long sound of I. Island. Island. Ice cream. Ice cream. Iron. Iron. Now repeat after me. First word, island. Ice cream. Iron. So this is what? Long sound of I. Next vowel letter O. O says orange. O says orange. O says octopus. O says octopus. O says October. O says October. When we put two O's together, it gives oo sound. We sound oo. So this is what? Long sound. This is what? Long sound. See the example? Moon. Moon. Second word, spoon. Spoon. Next vowel letter U. U says umbrella. U says umbrella. U says uncle. U says uncle. U says urgent. Urgent. Let's hear long sound of U. Universe. Universe. Next word, uniform. Uniform. Now, homework time. Complete the missing letter. Next, ending sound D, T, P. Look at and say each picture. Listen to the beginning sound. Write D, T or P in the blanks for each picture. For example, see the first picture. Yes, sad. Sad, right? S-A. So next last letter what will come? Yes, very good. D. So what is this? Sad. Which word? Sad. Okay, so you have to be complete like that only. Okay, children, can you tell me what are the vowels? Yes, A, E, I, O and U. So in this video, we've seen short vowel and long vowels. Short vowels, that is a, e, o, oo, and long sound, that is a, e, I, o, and u. Now you will tell me what are the sound of long vowels? Yes, a, e, I, o, and u. These are the sound of long vowels. These are the sound of long vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. And then short vowels. Yes, A, E, O, O. These are the short vowel sound. I hope this video is better to understand the vowel sounds. Thank you.